This video will review 12 questions you may be asked on the private pilot Checkride regarding airport signs, markings, and lighting. What do the signs by the letters C and H represent? The sign by the letter C is a holding position sign for an ILS critical area. White transcriptions on a red background indicate a holding sign. The sign by the letter H is the pavement marking for an ILS critical area. Per Chapter 2 of the Aeronautical Information Manual, when instructed by ATC to hold short of the ILS critical area, pilots must stop so that no part of the aircraft extends beyond the holding position marking. When approaching the holding position marking, pilots must not cross the marking without ATC clearance. ILS critical areas are in place so that aircraft do not interfere with the navigation signals being broadcast by the ILS transmitters. What color are the taxiway center lights? Taxiway center lights are green. What does the sign at location F represent? Yellow numbers on a black background indicate a runway location sign. This indicates the runway you are currently on. Which side of the hold short line is the runway, and which side is the taxiway? This is a runway boundary sign. The side with the dashed lines indicates an aircraft is on a runway about to exit, and the side with the solid lines indicates an aircraft is on a taxiway waiting for clearance to proceed onto the runway. What does the sign by letter E represent? Yellow letters on a black background indicate a taxiway location sign. This indicates the taxiway you are currently on. What color are runway edge lights? According to the Aeronautical Information Manual, runway edge lights are white, except on instrument runways where they are yellow on the last 2,000 feet or half the runway length, whichever is less. What color light denotes the end of the departing runway? The color red will denote the end of the departing runway for departing aircraft. The color green will indicate the runway threshold to landing aircraft. What does the sign by letter K represent? Black characters on a yellow background indicate a directional sign for a taxiway. A pilot seeing this sign would know that taxiway A is to the right. What color are taxiway edge lights? Taxiway edge lights are blue and are used to outline the edges of taxiways so pilots can see them at night or in conditions with reduced visibility. What do two quick white light flashes between green light flashes represent? When a pilot sees two quick white light flashes between green light flashes, this indicates a military airport. What does the sign by the letter A represent? White numbers on a red background indicate a runway holding sign. For instance, if we were on taxiway B, we would need to hold short of runways 15 and 33. What does the sign by the letter L represent? Runway distance remaining signs have a black background with a white numeral inscription. The number on the signs indicates the distance, in thousands of feet, of landing runway remaining. Thank you for watching the video. Please like the video and subscribe for more flight training and aviation-related educational videos.